It's snowing!
Little
Alicia.
snowflakes!
Alessandra,
So
Ian.
cute.
Hello.
Ramon, I saw your Vine from
First
the other day.
vlog
Just We're vlogging!
First vlog of 2015.
Look at the snowflakes.
No.
They're huge.
Wait, oh my gosh, was one in your hair? Where's your hair? There it is. Oh
On
my
her
gosh, it's
head.
like perfect.
Right there.
Look at them.
Wait, I love them. I've never seen actual snowflakes.
Can I never go inside again?
This is so awesome. Being pushed.
Look
This is
at
such a great angle on you.
snowflakes. They're huge.
Wait, you guys should get fruit now because
Yeah.
Grace have run
Hello?
Look at the snowflakes. Where are they? Can't see them.
Photo shoot. Dan, Angela. Woo.
I love how you got it when I was like trying to figure out how to work this, but I know how to work the camera.
This is what we call dorm snowballing. Man, I'm not gonna throw it. Hold it. Do you wanna build a snowman? Hey, done.
You got a haircut.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm surprised you didn't actually film him smacking me with it. How'd you bring this inside? And now it's wet.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, first vlog of 2015. This fucking guy. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching.